everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's video, guys, we are making a simple mince pie recipe that can be assembled quickly when you are short on time. These boozy mini fruit pies are the perfect recipe to add to your holiday cookie platter. So on today's video, guys, we are going to use store-bought ingredients. This recipe needs only 2 ingredients: store-bought pie dough and store-bought mince meat. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, turn the pie dough out onto a clean, lightly floured work surface. Now use a round cutter to cut out 10 circles of dough. Next, using a star cookie cutter, cut out 10 stars. Once all the needed dough is cut, we're gonna move on now and place the cut circles into the muffin tin. For this recipe, guys, I'm using a standard muffin tin. I'm not a fan of store-bought pie crust. I love homemade, guys. But sometimes when we just don't have time to wait for the dough to chill, that's why we cheat and use pre-made pie crust. Next, put 1 tablespoon of mince meat in the center of each circle. I want to clarify something, guys. The mince meat we are using here is dried fruits, alcohol, brown sugar, and spices. This is not a typical mince meat that contains meat. I'm wondering why they call it mince meat though, when it doesn't contain meat. Next, we're gonna place each star on top of the mince meat. Brush the star cutouts with some heavy cream and sprinkle some sugar over the top. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the pastries are lightly brown. The pies are out of the oven, guys. You can see the mince meat bubbling and the stars are lightly brown. It smells so good in here. Allow to cool slightly in the muffin tin for about 15 minutes. Then transfer onto a cooling rack to cool completely. You can serve them warm or cold. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.